Alright, well, I got a little bit of something special today. Got a 3D scanning company reached out to me. It's VoxMeta, and they said, hey, do you want to try this out? We'll send you one for free, and you make a couple videos on it. And I'm like, sure, why not? Let's see that. A really decent box. Nice thick foam. Get that out of the way. Oh, they put more on the sides than they do on the top and the bottom. That's pretty decent. Okay. What else do we got? They got the little flashing from the injection molding underneath there. It caused a bubble. Really not that bad. Same thing on that side. Oh. Press and pull. Okay. Travel adapter. US, Australia. EU. Yeah, they also use the too. Oh my god. I don't think I'll need to use that. Yeah, I will need to use that because that is not correct for here. That's fine. So we go with the US version. Oh, she's got a thick cable. Yeah, this would be aircraft, whatever grade plug. Very, very aggressive. And just a simple little guy. 18650, got only 3 of those? 4 of those. So, they did mention that more than likely the production models will come with only a 2-section charger instead of a 4. The 4s were just for the pre-release. Got anything underneath there? Nope, I'm just breaking glue going in there. We got our software. USB adapter. PC scanner. Ooh, that's like PC. Oh no, that's oily and melted in there. Oh, why do you have to do that? I don't like glue on stuff. No creaking noises squishing it. Yeah, aircraft grade plug. It's got a locator pin. And they even marked it for you. Battery compartment for your 18650s. They're hot swappable. You can do one at a time and it stays turned on as far as I was told. Class 2 laser. Alright. Got some sort of a plug there on both sides. Top. Okay. Well, we'll check her out soon. So I missed something. I thought these were just there for looks. They are not. This should be, yeah, your armband for putting your phone in there. Not spring-loaded, is it? No. So, you screw her down. It'll lock your phone in so that you can have your scanner in your hand and look at your phone. Interesting. And this should be a calibration plate. Wonder what design they went with. Fairly basic. Not much to go with on that. They're a little bit different. Oh, they're just stuck on there. That's just stickers on a glass plate. With a white film on it. Okay. Not unlike the first Creality one I saw. We'll have to go through that too. I'm going to set up the software and everything tomorrow. And we'll go through the first scan or two. Plastic ball bearings. Yeah. Couple rows of ball bearings in there, but still just plastic. I'm probably not going to use this because it may not look like that, but I use the Peo designed one. It's got a giant bearing in there. It spins nice and free. And if I ever get annoyed, I just add more tracker dots to it. Alright, well, now we'll see you guys tomorrow.